Hi guys, it's Blackie and welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm in East Texas. And as you can see, it looks a lot like my native Alabama, don't it? Same type of plants, same type of rolling hills, same type of animal sign, even the same types of vines and stuff. Big old water vine right here. You know, same type things. Well, there are a few things that are a little different, but you know, not much. This is where the eastern woodlands extends all the way across Louisiana and into the lower eastern part of Texas. And so the woods here are very much eastern woodlands. Yeah, we don't consider Texas eastern, but it's southern. But it definitely is eastern woodlands. And so a woodsman like me kind of feels at home in this part of Texas. Similar plants, similar animals, similar everything else. So looking at environments, like for example the guys that are in Kansas or Nebraska or western Missouri or northern Texas or western Oklahoma, are all kind of in similar terrain. They're plainsmen type deal. And so they're going to have similar animals, similar weather patterns, just similar stuff. But when you look at this, down through that low bottom down there, I could easily be in Alabama, Tennessee, Ohio, any of them places. Eastern woodlands, when you hear that term, don't think strictly the Carolinas or Tennessee or something like that. It's actually a much bigger area than you think. But not far from here, it starts making the transition to what we think of the sandy, brushy, and then eventually the desert country. And so your California, Nevada, Arizona, New Mexico, western Texas, that's their type of wheelhouse, so to speak. And those are those desert rats that run in that. I'm down here visiting my good friend William Collins. This is some of his land. I'm on just walking along and taking a moment to kind of touch base with this little toe of the eastern woodlands that's in eastern Texas. Just thought I'd bring you along for a second. Doing a little bit of a resource walk, picking up some stuff to go into the fire kit, stuff like that. Well guys, I just wanted to say hi and bring you along on one of my little adventures. If you like this type of stuff, please put it down there. Till next time guys, I'm Blackie wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day guys.